Hi all. How to say good morning in different languages. In English, good morning. Now we will see good morning in Telugu.
శుభోదయం
Shubhodayam. Good morning in Telugu. Shubhodayam. Now we will see good morning in Hindi.
శుభ్ ప్రభాత్
Shubprabhat. Good morning in Hindi. Shubprabhat. Now we will see good morning in Spanish.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Good morning in Spanish. Buenos días. Now we will see good morning in French.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Good morning in French. Bonjour. Now we will see good morning in German.
guten Morgen
Guten Morgen. Good morning in German. Guten Morgen. Now we'll see good morning in Italian.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Good morning in Italian. Buongiorno. Now we'll see good morning in Portuguese.
Bom dia.
Bom dia. Good morning in Portuguese. Bom dia. Now we'll see good morning in Chinese.
早上好
Zhao shang ha. Good morning in Chinese. Zhao shang ha. Now we'll see good morning in Arabic.
صباح الخير
Stabahul khairi. Good morning in Arabic. Stabahul khairi. Now we will see good morning in Russian.
доброе утро
Dobre utra. Good morning in Russian. Dobre utra. Now we'll see good morning in Japanese.
おはようございます
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning in Japanese. Ohayo gozaimasu. Now we will see good morning in Tamil.
காலை வணக்கம்
Kalai Vanakkam. Good morning in Tamil. Kalai Vanakkam. Now we'll see good morning in Urdu.
सुबह बखैर
Subha Bakhair. Good morning in Urdu. Subha Bakhair. Now we'll see good morning in Gujarati.
सुप्रभात
Suprabhat. Good morning in Gujarati. Suprabhat. Now we'll see good morning in Filipino.
magandang umaga
Magandang umaga. Good morning in Filipino. Magandang umada. Now we'll see good morning in Nepali.
शुभ प्रभात
Subha Prabhata. Good morning in Nepali. Subha Prabhata. Now we'll see good morning in Korean.
좋은 아침,
Jonachin. Good morning in Korean. Jonachin. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.